Korea is known for many things, such as the miracle of kimchi, deliciously orgasmic Korean barbecue, and of course, soju. But another thing Korea takes great pride in is spicy food. And yes, it's spicy.
Oh no. Oh, that's enough.
But I'm putting my booty on the line for you. However, I don't want to suffer alone, so today I'm going to introduce you to a good old buddy old pal, B. I think he's over here. B's getting a little pumping right now. Yo, B!
Oh, hey, what's up?
What's up, man? What are you doing?
A little exercise?
Getting a little pumping? Oh, well, today's a special day. What are we doing today, buddy?
I think we joined the spicy noodle challenge.
That's correct. Otherwise known as Fire Noodle Challenge. In Korean, they call it buldak-bokkeum-myeon. So, we're gonna go to the local convenience store, teach you how to make it, and allow you to watch us burn buldak-bokkeum-myeon hell. Next things next, I, Davies Cakes, will personally show you, step by step, how to make this devilish concoction. Here it is. Satan's morning breakfast, buldak-bokkeum-myeon. First, choose your buldak. Second, open the buldak. Third, open the packet of veggies, delicious vegetables. And dispose of them immediately. We ain't got no time for no vegetables, okay? Fourth, pour boiling hot water from boiling hot water machine. In Korea, you should always have an extra pair of chopsticks. Always. Fifth, let buldak evolve for 2 minutes. Ponder the pain you're about to experience and cherish your loved ones. Sixth, open buldak. Seventh, mix it like you want it. Eighth, drain excess fluids. Ninth, spank it and spank it again. Just gotta butter it up, you know? Pour buldak's pre-packaged molten lava juice. I can already smell it. Mix it again and again. You smell that? Send a text to your mother and tell her you love her, just in case. Always thank your moms. Emergency toilet paper. You just never know. Thank you, cashier. 감사합니다. In Korean and leave. We're ready, baby.
You ready?
No, not ready, man. Oh, welcome to my humble abode, my sanctuary, my holy temple, soon to be the dungeon of diarrhea. B and I are here today to suffer on your behalf. We're eating the buldak-bokkeum-myeon. We suffer so that you can prosper. That's a pretty good line, huh?
That's good.
That's good. That's
good.
pretty,
Doing it for you.
Pretty good. All right, guys. Let's not waste any time. Let us begin. Woo! You ready, B?
No?
You got it?
Okay.
Here we go.
That nice color.
Oh
Look
yeah,
at that.
we gotta finish it off. We got this. This isn't hard. Korea, you think you got spicy food? It ain't no thing for B and I.
We got this.
맵지 않아. All right, man. Cheers.
Yes, yes.
Woo. Mmm. Oh. Oh. I'm okay. I'm fine.
Okay, it is spicy.
It's. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We gotta keep going. We've come this
my
far.
god.
Yeah.
Okay, it's much spicier than I thought.
Alright, we got this. Here we go. Oh my god. It's nothing. I don't even feel the spice. Oh my god.
Oh, gross.
야, 한국인! 왜 이거 먹어?
You gotta eat it.
이렇게. Oh my god, it's like one of Khaleesi's dragons is blowing fire. Now my mouth is coming out my booty already.
Trouble?
What was the point of this?
Why?
Okay, we can do it. We gotta
Who
go. We gotta
enjoys
do
this?
B, it was nice knowing you, man.
Yeah, I'm done.
How do you feel on a scale of 1 to 10?
-3.
You like that? You like that? I don't like it. Oh my god. Oh,
Okay.
we got this, B! It's like Darth Vader decided to shove his lightsaber in my mouth.
Can't even talk. Oh my god.
We got this, man.
I don't think I got it.
We got it.
I don't think
we can do it. In life, sometimes you have to make sacrifices. Those sacrifices become your legacy. I've got sweat.
This is not good.
Come on. Feels
See the
good.
finish line? Last bites?
If this was the Olympics, we gotta represent our country.
Try it.
Honestly, it's not even spicy right now.
It's probably spicy, but I'm gonna finish
You
it.
gotta convince yourself it's not spicy. Did you do it?
Done.
Really? You gotta do it over your head.
Yeah.
Oh, done. Buldak-bokkeum-myeon. It ain't. Oh no. I'm a mess. It ain't nothing. Why?
You gotta finish them.
Okay. It like ferments. It gets better with age. It's like a fine wine. Kiss the toilet paper.
Yeah, that's right. Kiss of death.
There it is. Ladies.
It's your print.
Oh yeah.
That was the buldak-bokkeum-myeon nuclear fire noodle challenge. Why bring pain to your life?
Never again. Never.
한국 사람들 미쳤어. I got a nice layer of sweat. I will say that is the hottest noodles, or the hottest anything I've ever eaten in my life. I feel it burning my stomach right now. Tonight's not gonna be fun. Tomorrow's not gonna be fun. That's why we have toilet paper. Contingency plans. We always need contingency plans. Was that the hottest thing you've ever had?
That's definitely the hottest thing I've ever had.
Don't touch your eyes.
That's probably better.
I see that.
Do it.
Oh, yeah. That's a
I
true
was
champion.
screaming
A true
for it. I
champion.
sweated it out.
You know what? No pain, no gain. Without sweat, there's no regret. Yeah. That was a buldak-bokkeum-myeon challenge. For my friends back home, try it if you dare. Thank you for joining me in my home. I'll see you in the bathroom. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. How you doing, man?
Never again, man.
You can tell the truth now.
It's already. I can feel it bubbling. There's like it's like
It's
a
sitting like that.
double toilet
Yeah.
trouble. I've charred my taste buds. The reason Koreans can eat it so easily is because they've already burned all of their taste buds off. So
Spicychallenge are used as a flavor enhancer.
enhance what? Enhance the level of pain on my butt.
You're from San Diego. You don't have Tex-Mex. You don't have.
Man,
habanero.
we got spicy food. Let me tell you that it's just a different spice. Yeah, it's pretty spicy. But it's still burning right there. There's hell right there. You've been warned, America. Don't eat something that you want to regret.
If you lick your lips, can you still taste it?
Yeah, yeah.
You good in there? How you feeling, man?
No, not good. We need some more toilet paper.
Okay.